This is an old, boring doorbell. And this is me grinning after installing the new wired Ring doorbell. In this video, I'll show you how to install a wired Ring doorbell. The doorbell comes in the nice box. It comes with this mounting plate, some hardware, and these user manuals, a charger cable, and finally the device itself. Step 1. Open the back cover and remove the orange slip and take out the battery. Plug the charger into a USB adapter and plug it into the wall. You will see these two lights light up when it's plugged in. Step 2. Pull out your phone and find the Ring app and download it. Open the Ring app, allow notifications if you like, and create a username. Next, take the battery after it's done charging, insert it in the back into the Ring doorbell. Then, under the devices, hit Setup Device and select Doorbells. You will then need to scan the QR code on the back of the Ring doorbell. Next, select your location or set up a new one. After that, you will see this caution warning about using the wrong screws. Then, it will ask you to locate the screws that are in this little Ziploc bag labeled B with an orange sticker on it. Next, it will ask you to give a name for the device. Then, it asks you to make sure the battery is inserted, which we already did that. After that, you will need your Wi-Fi password ready. Then, it'll ask you if the light is spinning on the device, and after that, you will want to join the network. It will then state that it's connecting to the device and finally prompt you to connect to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, you'll get a snapshot capture and a success screen shortly after that. Next, it tells you that there's a few more steps to go, and you will see the tutorial for the physical installation. But why bother when you can finish watching this one? Obviously, I'm just kidding. Then it asks you if you want to invite shared users. After that, you can link other Ring devices if you like. Next, you can optimize the motion, and finally, you're done with the app setup. And here's a little preview of the interface. Step 3. Before doing the wired install, make sure to turn off your circuit breaker. Step 4. Use a screwdriver and remove the old doorbell. You may need to pry it off as it may be sealed around with some silicone. Step 5. Take the screwdriver and loosen the screws that are holding the wires to free the old doorbell. Step 6. Take the mounting plate and mark the holes where you will be attaching the plate. Then take a masonry drill bit and drill out the holes big enough to fit the provided anchors. Next, take the anchors and hammer them into the hole. Step 7. Screw in the mounting plate using the provided screws. Then take a Phillips head screwdriver and loosen these two screws on the back of the doorbell. You want to wire the two wires that are coming out of your wall to these two screws like this. Then position the Ring doorbell and screw it in provided screws. There will be a total of 4 screws that you'll need to screw in. Finally, place the cover back and insert the special star screw in the bottom with the provided Torx tool that it came with the doorbell. That's it. Smash that like button and check out how I installed the Ring stick-up.